These people are making houses without bricks. So, how are they doing this? First, they build the foundation based on the plans. Then, they use an air pump to blow up a big balloon-like thing called the bladder, shaping it into the basic outline of the house. After that, skilled workers spray the concrete onto the bladder using a special tool called a spray gun. Surprisingly, they can finish spraying the whole house in just one day. What's even cooler is that after the construction, the inside balloon can be deflated and used again for another construction, showing how easy and efficient this new construction method is. Until next time, stay curious and stay subscribed.